Hey guys, welcome to a video. So yesterday there was snow and unfortunately I could not clean it. So today I'm gonna clean. So what happens when you are not able to clean initially and a lot of it becomes ice, there is a way to clean it properly so that nobody gets slip and fall. So still you need a good shovel, something like wide like this garand shovel. So first hold it nicely and make your way. Now you see at some places there are ice formation. So even see here, you see there's ice formation, so that's gonna be slippery. So first remove the top layer of snow. Okay, that's very important, as I'm doing now. Then in the next we'll try to melt the ice. So I'm gonna do this all the way and then I'm gonna show you guys. Now see here, even though I'm shoveling, you see these foot marks, this is all formed on the ice. Okay, so that's why even if you do just shoveling, it's not gonna be enough, and try to use some slight force. Okay, not too much, depending upon the surface, so that you can take off as much as you can. Now step number 2, we have to pour salt on that ice, whichever has been left over. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and you need a good quality ice, like I have this C4 safe step. Okay, I'm gonna pour this and then I'm gonna show you guys. So as you can see, I've added salt. I have poured that salt over here, and already you see it has started melting. Okay, you see the spots have been formed and it's melting. So this is the process. First remove the snow, but when you remove the snow and ice is beneath, it's important to melt the ice too, otherwise it's going to be very slippery. Okay, so I have put the salt now, and hopefully, and yes, it will be good soon. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.